This is Brenda, and I am painting these flowers buckets. With the pen, and I switched to the blue. It's purple, Diane.
It is purple. That's fine. It could be purple.
This is purple. Now pick up the green one. Pick up another same green one. I'll pick up a... There ain't no purple, Diane.
You can use this color. You can use pink and red and orange.
This is a flower. I'm coloring the flower red. Okay, zero zags there. Supposed to be purple. This is blue. Another flower is gonna be another blue one. Beautiful blue. Beautiful purple. And that's all.
Then you take a wet brush to it, right?
Yes.
Get that out of the way. That purple's really pretty.
Yeah, I know it. And I sharpened these at Carl's house.
Yeah, you did. Who is Carl?
My brother.
There you go.
My oldest brother.
He's old.
He's old as dirt. I told him so.
I'm sure you did. It's so pretty. And then sign your name at the bottom when you're done.
Now sign my name to the picture. I am done.
It's so pretty. Thank you.